Brother Altamash, our topic is homes and accommodations.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so I have many questions for you. I will go with this one first. First, let me know what is the good about owning a flat or a house? What is good about?
In my opinion,
Yes.
owning a flat is way more good than having a house
Okay.
because in flat is nearby the residential complex, and mostly it is around surrounded by lots of people and very populated area. So you have everything within the reach.
सही कर इसको इसको ऐसा कर लगा दो बराबर से. Say it again. I think you are saying good, mashallah. Yes. Everything.
So everything is within the reach, and you can go, and every facility is also available, like transport facility, and then you have schools and gyms for the youngster, and then we have all the things available, one and variety of shops also there.
Right.
But if you have house, so it is very difficult to have these facilities available.
I think no. I think you misread me. See, my question is that what is the let me frame in this way. What is the advantage of owning a flat? For example, let's say I am living on a rented house, or I have my own house. What is the advantage? Like living on a own house, for example. Okay, I'm not living on a rent house or rented house. Okay, so what is the advantage?
Yes. So the advantage of owning our own house
Yes.
is that you are very independent, and you don't have to worry about the rent every month, and you will have your own house, and you can decorate it with your own your own wishes, whatever you want to add, whatever something you want to add you can add, and whatever you want to remove you can remove. So this is the advantage of owning a flat.
Okay, fine. Uh, how much rent do people pay nowadays?
Actually, it depends on the area.
It depends on the area.
Which area is this?
Okay.
If it's a small size area, so generally people pay 3 to 4 thousand, and if it's a medium size, so it's almost they pay 9 to 10 thousand.
Okay.
And then
Medium size, you mean like 300 or 400 square feet? Okay.
yes, I
Okay,
mean 2 bedroom and
Okay.
this. Depend on this square feet, you can have different varieties of amount.
Okay.
But generally in big city, they have to pay more rent
Okay.
because they have all the facilities available out there.
Okay. That's good. What is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite home in my house is living room
Okay.
because it is well lit and ventilated, and it's more way spacious and comfy than the other room we have in our house. So it has all the amenities available, like we have AC, and then we have a huge computer, and we have bookcase, design bookcase, and well tiled surface. So it is my comfort zone where I spend my most of the time.
Okay. Very
And
nice.
our guests also feel comfortable there.
Okay. What changes do you want to make in it, in your living room? Do you want to make any changes in it, or like are you comfortable with that?
Actually, I don't want to add anything
Okay.
because it's. I just want to paint in a very different way
Okay.
because the paint is very light color, and I want to paint it in dark color something,
Okay.
and everything is all good.
Okay. Would you mind naming different parts of your house and their importance or their use?
Mm.
For example, kitchen, hall, bedroom, or living room you mentioned already, or guest room, something like that. Yes.
So in our home we have a open flat kitchen where there is refrigerator, and then we have the some case like structure to have our whatever we have to place it. And then in our bedroom we have a medium sized bedroom, and it is covered by the queen size bed sheet. And then beside it we have a bedside table in which there are my books and all the things. And there is one cupboard also, large cupboard, in which we have our clothes, we place our clothes, iron clothes. and then we have our small things like we our goggles and watches also, and we have a traditional bathroom. We have bathroom and our washroom is separated, and then we have I have already described the living room also.
Yes, yes. Okay. Which floor is the best in high-rise building? For example, you might have seen the buildings like 5-story building, 10-story building, 30-story building. So I think which is the best floor to live on? What do you think?
I think last floor is the best
Okay.
best floor to live because you have all the natural beauties in front of you, and you
Okay.
can enjoy the natural environment there,
Okay.
and you have amazing look if you open the window, and then you will see the nature's beauty, and oh, going aeroplane flying aeroplane, and you will have birds there, so it's a very good good to see the environment out there.
Okay. Who do you live with nowadays?
I live with my families, with my parents, and the
Siblings. Okay.
and my siblings, and yeah, we have our nephews also.
Okay. How long have you lived there?
I lived there almost 1.5 years ago, and then
1.5 years ago.
because when we leave,
Now, do you live it or not?
I
Okay.
I
1 year
mean
ago. That's yes.
I've been living there
Okay. Yes.
one
Yes.
1.5 years ago.
Okay. Okay.
Because it's a heavy deposit flat, so we are thinking of buying our own flat as soon as possible.
Okay. Now I got it. Why do you why are you so anxious in the class? Do you plan to live there for a long time, or like will you? I think you already mentioned that. Do you want to answer this question, or should I go ahead? Like, do you want to live there for a long time, or you want to change it, or switch some other room? I think so.
No, we are searching home in nearby cities.
Okay.
So if we found the home there,
We
so
find that.
if we find their home in that building itself, so it's very comfortable for us because
Okay.
it has all the facilities available. You
Okay.
have a water supply of 25 to 30 minutes, which will fill our water needs, and then we have lift facilities also available, which running 24 by 7, and then we have parking facilities also available, and transport system is also good there.
Okay.
So that's why these are the reason to which I want to live there for long time.
Okay. I think this is enough. I think so.
By the way, future is uncertain.
Uh-huh. Definitely. Like future is uncertain. You're right, brother. Anything else I want to say? Which room does your family spend most of the time in?
Okay, well, my family spend most of the time in living room. In living room, we have sometimes we have our discussion on different topics, and sometimes we have casual conversation. And in living room, we almost we meet together, and our meals also is there. We take our meals there also. So living room is the place where my family spend most of the time.
Just pause again. Do one minute. I'm sorry, brother. Sorry, brother, for information. You can come now. Then I will start again. आजा. Close the door. सुपर कर दो ना. Yes, thank you. हाँ. Okay. But I find one word comfortable. You say comfortable, like the word it should be comfortable. Comfortable. F or T combined. Comfortable. Not comfortable. ठीक है? This is not American or British. It's a normal thing. Comfortable. We should not say comfortable or comfortable. 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 Okay, in one go, inshallah. And the other way, alhamdulillah, you did very well. Alhamdulillah. Yes. No. Comfy, हाँ वो तो different है. वो right है. Comfy. वो अलग है. That is right. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. You mentioned that comfy initially. ठीक है?